So first we need to move to our cart controller. So here we have the update function. So let's copy here from here and paste. So we need to change, so delete cart items or delete item from the cart or items from the cart. So let's change the name here to remove carts item, and we need the request. So first we need to get also the products ID. So here we don't need the quantity. So we check if the product's already in the cart. So if yes, so what we need to do. So let's remove this part. So we'll use a method which is unset to unset the products from or the item from the session. So we need to use unset and we give it ri with k, which is the product ID. Okay. And finally we set its session and we calculate the cart items total again. And here we change the message to products removed from cart, okay, or products removed successfully. So now we have the functions. So what we need to do, we need the routes. So here let's change the routes. So since we are deleting, let's make it delete, and here remove, and here what is the name, let's bring the name, remove cart item. So copy, paste, change also the name here to cart.remove. So save. Now we are done. Let's go back to our carts. So here down, so here we will have the button, so we can remove an item. So let's do something. Let's copy from here. So we'll have also form. So let's copy from here and paste here. So it will take us, so the route will take us to the cart. So what is the name? So I think cart.remove. Okay, so cart dot remove, and here we need to override the method to delete. And what else we need? So we need the product ID, as we have seen. So here we are receiving the product ID. So we send it using hidden input field, and also we need the button. So let's remove this input. We don't need it. So the button here, we can use only an icon using the class fa x mark, and the button here, let's make it danger, and also let's make it small button, and I think that's all. Okay, so let's add also a type. So I think we did not add type for the other. So here type is submit. I think we did not add type for this button also. So here the type is submit, and same thing. So where is it? So let's close this one. Same thing inside our home .blade.php. So here, so the type of the button is submit. So save. Let's refresh the page and see. So here is our, as you can see, here is our button. So let's click or let's remove this one, which is the third one. So if we click on the button, so as you can see, it has been removed and the total has been changed. Okay, let's do something. Let's make the button so here, so better. And where is it? So not inside the home, inside the cart. So let's move down. So here, better and danger. Let's make it outline dash danger. So refresh the page and see what we have here. So now we have, so like this. So it's better if we remove the final one. So it's changed to 100. Let's remove the first one. So we have 21. Let's remove the final one. So it's your cart is empty. Okay. So now we are done with removing products from the cart. So next we need to add, so let's do something. Let's add, so let's move to our cart. So let's add the buttons down. So here, so we can proceed to the payments or clear the cart. Okay. So let's move down. So after the table, where is it? So here inside this div. So let's add another div with just, or before we add just, let's add the flex and justify content to between and margin top of 4. And we need the form, so we'll add later. So we did not add yet the function to clear the cart, so we'll add it later. So we need first form. Let's reuse it here. So we will add the route later, so we don't have the route now. So let's keep it empty, and the method will be post. And here, same thing, we will override the method to delete, and we don't need the inputs field, so we need only the button. And the button, let's make it outline danger, let's make it large button or medium button. And for the icon, we can use trash can. And here we can use clear cards. So save, let's refresh and see what we have here. So as you can see, we have clear cards and we need another button. So this one will take us to payments. Okay, so let's add a link here and give it class beta-n success. And inside, or we will add the route later. So now we don't have the route. So here let's add the proceed to payments. So save, let's refresh and see if we refresh the page. So here we have proceed to payment and here we have clear cards. Okay. So before we proceed to payments, let's clear the cards first and later we move to payments.